Hey there friends, how's it going? We are gonna do a quick, fast core blast workout right now. So get ready, you can do this any day that you want to just do a nice, well-rounded core routine. Okay, so remember, if anything doesn't feel right for your body, then please omit, and you can modify or just do a different exercise that you know, or even just take that moment to rest and breathe. Okay, let's get started. We're gonna be on all fours to begin, hands a little bit wider than the shoulders, knees in line with the hips, and we're gonna do a couple cat-cows. So we're gonna round our back, exhaling, pulling the inner thighs towards each other, and then you're gonna press the thighs out as you extend the spine. And then press those thighs together and round, and then lengthen out into extension and press the thighs wide. Then you're gonna come into a nice neutral position, tail reaching behind you, head reaching out long. You're gonna do pregnant cat abdominals. So breathe in, let the belly expand, and then you're gonna exhale. Pull those abdominals up and in as you pull your thighs together. Good. Inhale, let the belly expand, and then exhale, deepen, and pull the abdominals together, pull the inner thighs together. Good. Inhale, let the belly expand, exhale, pull up and in, deepening those abdominals. Now you're gonna hold that, breathe in, exhale, stretch opposite arm and leg out long, and then float it up, and tap it down, float it up, and tap it down, float it up. Good job, keep that back steady, keep those abdominals lifting up and in. One more, lift up, and pull back into center. Breathe in here, exhale, opposite arm and leg reach out, keeping the spine still. Inhale, float it up, exhale, tap it down. Exhale, lift it up. Inhale, tap it down. Good. And lift, and lower, and lift, and lower. Last time, keep the back still, and float back in. Good. Now you're just gonna bring your legs in front of you, sit yourself down, knees are bent. We're gonna have our thighs squeezing together, activating that inner thigh, the pelvic floor. Arms are holding on behind the thighs. You're gonna breathe in, and then exhale, roll down. One vertebra at a time, float the arms overhead, breathe in, and exhale. Deepening those abdominals, pressing the vertebra one by one into the mat, and we roll on up. Breathe in, and exhale, rolling down. Good. And arms float overhead. Good. Now try to just bring the arms beside the thighs and see if you can keep the arms reaching forward without actually holding on. Good. Two more. And exhale, roll back down. Feel that nice long C curve rolling through the spine. Arms float overhead. And then if you like, stretch those legs out long. Squeeze the inner thighs together. Flex the feet. Breathe in. Arms come forward. Exhale, deepen. And now we're gonna pause here. So we can either have long legs or bent legs. You can be holding on behind the thighs if you need to. Inhale, open and twist, and then exhale, deepen to return. Inhale, open and twist. Exhale, deepen to return. So one arm is reaching out to the side, your chest is following. Exhale, return. Last time, open and return. Stretch those legs out long, roll down. One last full roll up, deepening those abdominals, lengthening up and over the thighs, rounding the back. Good. And then we're gonna roll ourselves to our seated position, lift the legs, and you're gonna slowly lower down with you. Good. Now in this position, you're gonna keep the curl. You're gonna pull one leg in, the opposite leg is gonna stretch long, and you're gonna press your opposite arm into your knee. Good. Now holding that position, you're gonna rotate towards the knee that's bent. Breathe in and come back to center. Good. Other leg pulls in, other leg stretches long. Opposite hand to knee, so left knee to right hand, pressing the inner thigh, pressing the arm together. Breathe, and then rotate. Good. And then come back center and lower down. Beautiful. So I want you to feel that same cross across the torso as we go here. So hands behind the head, you're curling up. Feet can either be low and you can rotate and lift a knee. So you're rotating your chest to the right, lifting your right knee, and then floating back down. And exhale, lift and curl and rotate and down. So you can continue with that. Otherwise, bring both legs to tabletop, curl it up, pull one knee in and rotate. And rotate. And rotate. Good. Keep breathing, doing your crisscross, deepening those abdominals, belly button to spine. Good. 2 more. And lower down and rest. Good job. Now, we're going to come over onto our bellies. Okay, so in this position, we're going to do another bit for our back, the deep back, which is part of your core. You're going to have arms stretched long, head resting down on the mat, legs long behind you, and you're going to float opposite arm and leg up, and then lower down. Opposite arm and leg up, and then lower down. Now, you're going to hover all 4 limbs, deepening those abdominals, and we're going to take swimming. So chest is lifted, head is gently lifted, opposite arm and leg lifts, and then we switch. Good. So you're just swimming here, deepening those abdominals. Good. Try to go a little faster, breathing, lifting from the booty, not from the heels, deepening those abdominals. Good. And lower down and rest. Good. In this position now, you're going to press back into a nice little child's pose, rounding the spine for a moment and breathe. Good. Now you're going to roll yourself up and we're going to come into plank. So you can either be in a long arm plank, or actually we're going to be in our plank position. And then what I want you to do, remember, hips are going to be level with the shoulders, never below. Good. Booty is lengthening under, thighs are pressing together. You're going to lower one elbow down and then the other elbow down. Good. Now you're going to reverse. Press one hand and then the other hand. Now different, whichever elbow went down first now stays up. So I'm going to go left, right, right, left. Good. Now right arm lowers, left arm lowers, left arm presses, right arm presses. Last time. Left arm lowers, right arm, and then right arm, and then left arm. Good. And we're holding here. Breathe. Beautiful. Now from here, you're going to rotate to the side. Lower the bottom knee if needed. Hand is going to come. We're in a nice long side plank here. Good. So you can either have the bottom leg lowered, or you can have both legs stacked long. Good. And we're just holding this position, pulling our abdominals up and in. Good. Just keeping this nice long length, and then you're going to come back to center. Good. And rotate to the other side. Keep those hips lifted. Do whatever position feels right. Bent knee, straight legs, lifting the hips. Return to center. Good. Rotate one more time. Open and lift. Keep those hips lifted, pulling the wrist towards the heels, really deepening those abdominals. Come back center and rotate. Come back center. Lower down the knees. Stretch it out. Take a nice deep child's pose and breathe. Letting the back expand, the sacrum expand as you breathe in. Bring yourself up and come to sitting. Okay, so find that nice long tall position. We're gonna breathe in, let our bellies expand. Let our ribs open and lift, and then exhale, the ribs return, the belly returns. Good. Breathe in, feel the belly expand, the ribs open and lift, and then the ribs return and the belly returns. Last time. Belly expands, ribs expand, ribs release, and belly releases. Gorgeous. Good work. I hope you enjoyed your core blast workout. You can do this anytime you need a little core pick-me-up. Okay, take care, friends. See you later. Bye.